Hello everybody, welcome. Today in this video we are going to look at how do we customize the procurement my receipt page and hide the complete section called manufacturing details section on the my receipt page. So before this page, before we customize, this is how the page looks like, and here you see that manufacturing details like manufacturer and manufacturer part number. In case you want to hide this complete section, you can hide it using that Redwood. So you will not be able to see that once it is hidden. So let's see how this can be achieved here. So come here, let's access this page first thing first. You see under procurement, we see my receipt new page. And under that page, you will see the receipt page. Order to receive page. If you click here and let's say receive with details, you will see, scroll down, you will see a section called manufacturer details where you will find manufacturer and manufacturer part number. Let's suppose I don't want to show that details to somebody. So you can customize it. So open this page in a VB Studio here and let this page to be open, which is order to receive. Let this page to be open now. I'm in the advanced mode for now. You can do it from express mode too. If you see here, click here and receive with details, you will see this guy called manufacturer details. So you can hide this very easily. Go to the properties sections. If you see under properties, you would have something called show manufacturer details section. Simply say false. And when you say false and try one more time, you will see that guy, it would not be visible to you. It is gone from here. So this is how you can hide this section completely from the order to receive page. So that is all about this customization, and I hope you find this useful. Thank you. Bye-bye.